Hey, 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 y'all, what's up? Y'all know how to. I'm out here in this wonderful, beautiful weather, you guys. It's so nice out here, though. Today, I'm gonna be eating. I put the biscuit on there last minute. I got some chicken from Hardee's, potato salad from Walmart, and some pickled beets from somebody's somewhere. Father, we thank you for the food by the sea, let it nourishment and pray, man. Y'all, I don't know about y'all, but I enjoy you know what? That's alright. And I got Coca-Cola Zero. Oh. What I was trying to say was, I don't know about y'all, but I love nature. Nature just, it soothes me. This still got some hair on there. How y'all been doing? I knew that was coming on soon. I remember some years back, I was in Walmart, and this little old lady told me, she said, you know what you need to do? It was like, she knew. I'm like, man, you need to, honey, the advice I'm telling you, you need to go ahead and listen to what I'm saying. She said, you take you some beets, slice them up real good, boil them, put some vinegar with them. She said it's good for your blood. Shakes, go ahead now. My grandson up here doing this begging. So yeah, I remember when that lady told me that. When I was little, my mom and dad used to go to this place called Horseshoe out here in Suffolk. Horseshoe Cafe. That was my first experience with pickled beets. And also, so they used to have the best chicken and dumplings. And they had the best pickle beets. You know, so I want to talk about something. So I have a new bae. And we've been kicking it for a while. However, I'm taking my time, you know, because everybody I talk to, they're like, man, you wifey material, you this, you that. It's so inspirational. We talk about things I never talked with another guy. We see things differently. He accepts my awkwardness because a man that deal with me, you gotta understand that I'm a unique woman. You know, we pray together. Let me tell you something. There's something about a man who's sensitive to your needs, you know? Sorry, y'all. So sensitive. I was sick the other week. He prayed for me. We joke a lot. He is really funny. He claims I don't need to lose weight, but I told him, you know, he don't really like me. Because anybody that really like me, they'll be like, you know, babe, I love you. But I want you to live a long life. He said, when I say I like you the way you are, I'm talking about like in everything and every aspect. He said, you know, baby, you want to lose weight? I'm here for you. But love yourself along the way. And I thank him for that. Crazy because his name starts with the same initial as my ex-fiance. Now you, let me say something. When I get married now, I feel sorry for my husband. Whew. Oh my God. But yeah, it's just amazing. Because when I was going through my stuff, my healing, and I'm still healing. That's why I'm going into this kind of slow. But a man that can talk on my level can talk to me. You know, a man who's not jealous because I'm trying to do the great stuff in my life. You know, who will listen to me and won't use me. You know, I've experienced something different with this guy. It's just a different connection. But I'm embracing this season. He told me last night, he even told me that today. He said, you know, babe, you gotta go with, let things flow. You can't always try to be in control of everything. Oh, so you sad. But I'm not gonna let my family meet him. Nor y'all. Not right now. Might know he gonna see this video. Babe. Hey. You know, I may be slow. Let me tell you something. Most guys will say, you know, you move slow. You got, you know, sometimes you just need, with a person who has bad intentions, they're to wear you out, they're to wear you down, you know. But him, I feel, you know, it's easy going. I don't feel like I was rushed. I've been in a relationship where I feel like everything was just always fast. You know what I'm saying? You be like, what are you trying to rush on? Why are you rushing? You know? I don't know if y'all ever been down that road. But I can truly say that he makes me happy. Like, thinking about him sometimes just makes me feel warm. You know? And I don't want that to be lust. You know what I'm saying? I do want us to continue to connect. I'm just gonna move forward, you know. But y'all, I'm full. I really am. Well, thanks for watching my video, y'all. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and things of that nature. All right.